Hey guys, this is Maitri, and in this video I am going to share everything about my DIE cut machine. Many of you had already asked me to make a video on it, and today I have been able to make a video on my DIE cut machine. Please watch the video, let me know your comments on it. If you like the video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for new video updates on my channel. There is one information for you guys, is that I have created a new channel where I do some comedies, some skits. If any of you is interested in comedy, please visit my new channel. I have given the link in the description below. And now let's check my DIE cut machine. I got this DIE cut machine almost 1 year back. I bought them from AliExpress. If you're staying in India, you can also get them from Amazon.in or else some local craft stores who sells these DIE cut machines. This machine comes with two plates, plate A and plate B. Plate A is used as the base. On top of plate A, you can either place foam sheet or cardboard. Then some DIE cuts that you can also get from the craft stores or from Amazon.in. Then you can place the plate B. Then you can use the machine as shown in the video. Here I have used some flower cuts. You can use the same machine to get other shapes as well. All you need to do is buy some DIE cuts and you get all the shapes that you need for your craft projects. Here I have got some different shapes for my upcoming new project. If you are into a lot of craft projects and if you need different shaped embellishments for your craft projects, you can try this DIE cut machine. If you are an occasional crafter, you can try getting these shapes using scissors or detail knife at home. You may not need to spend so much of money for DIE cut machine. So that's all from me for today. I'll be back with a new video. Till then, bye bye.